In this video, I'll summarize the key insights from the A3 playlist. Let's get started! Firstly, you'll learn how to add new sheets, rename them, and loading drawing border and title block into them. After that, our focus is on view frames. To add a view frame, utilize the Add a View Frame button under the View Frame tab or right-click in the drawing and select the top button. Navigate to the Type and View direction groups to rotate the views. You also have the option to modify entrance details and section plane positions via the View Frame properties. Move the view frame via Properties under Basis Point or by clicking, pulling and dropping at the squares. To toggle BIM components and drawing dimensions, use the Component Visibility group and the Dimensions group. To disable a single component only in a view frame, activate it and press the Delete Selected Objects button. With the Overwrites docking window, you can get back the deleted component, cause it's the protocol of what you've done in the view frame. Here you can see if you or your colleague deleted components or dimensions, or added annotations and so much more. There are also some pretty cool features that improve your workflow and save time. So take a look at this separate video. Allow me to demonstrate how to add annotations. There are two types: view frame related annotations and component related annotations. Edit annotations by double-clicking on them. For component-related annotations, select a component and click the Active Component Annotation button in the Selection group. You have the possibility to insert references from the data tree, so that they adjust automatically when the values change. Moving on, let's delve into the process of creating detail sections. A simple detail section is achieved through Properties by setting Detail Section to Yes and choosing the window of content. For a rule-based detail section, switch the detail section from Yes to Yes rule-based in Properties. Enter variables for Xmin and Xmax with or without calculations to define the window of the detail section. Create a symbolic vertical section via Properties, setting symbolic representation to Yes and adjusting the values below. Next, I will introduce the data tree. The data tree represents the project as a text structure encompassing all values and objects. Copy references of values and objects via the right mouse button context menu by selecting Copy for Form. Incorporate these references into annotations and DWGs. You have the option to copy these externals in DWG annotations and standard view frames. I will show you how to load external blocks into your drawing by replacing a view frame. Activate a view frame, click on the button for external blocks and select one of the DWGs. Drag and drop is also an option for quickly inserting DWGs. In video My Title Block, I will briefly show you how you can create your own title block and how to save it right. At the end of playlist A3, I'm going to guide you through the process of saving sheet and view frame templates and how to reuse them in future projects. For more detailed knowledge, take a look at the individual videos. Thanks for watching!